Okay, sorry about that. I had a 15-minute recording limit, so I had to start a new video. So we last left off solving for W. So here, I already found what Z was. Just going to label that as 4. And I want to find what W is going to equal to. So here, if I take a look at my diagram, alright, so again, W corresponds to W over here. And if you take a look at the second proportion, I also have W. Alright, so what that means, I need U and Y to solve for W. So I have U and Y. So that corresponds with 2 over here. And then U is really the entire length of AB, which is what I have down here. So U is this entire length right here. So U, or in this case 10, right, that's going to represent the entire length from A to B. So if I take a look at my proportion right here, U over W, right, U over W, or in this case 10 over W, equals W over Y. W over Y, in this case, it's going to be W over 2. And then I cross multiply, I get W squared equals 20. And then if I take the square root of 20, I should get 4 point something. Yeah, 4.47. So W is approximately 4.47, right, or CB in this case. So the measure of CB. Right, and ignore my W. My pen just likes to do an extra swiggle or something. All right, so here we have 4.47. And the last side to find is going to be V. Now, you can use the ratio that I have down here, right? But since you already have 10, you already have AB, right? And you already have CB, and because ABC is a right triangle, you could just simply use the Pythagorean theorem, which is what I'm going to do. So here I have 10, which is the length of my hypotenuse, because that's opposite from the 90-degree angle. So here, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So I'm going to substitute 10 in for C, right? And then W, 4.47, that's going to be one of the legs. Plus B squared. All right. So here I have, if I punch this in on my calculator, I'm going to get 20 plus B squared equals 100. And then simply solving for B, we subtract 20 on both sides. So we have B squared equals 80. And then if I take the square root on both sides, I have 8.9. And that's going to be the length of AC. So here's the thing. Whenever you're trying to solve for missing sides using the geometric mean, right? Personally, for me, I like to give my students this triangle diagram and these 3 corresponding ratios. So if you did the homework earlier this week, if you separated the 3 triangles, you should be able to actually come up with these ratios, these proportions on your own. Right? Alright, so thanks.